Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to be looking at installing these bushes. They are for the radius rods, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've got the car jacked up, the wheel nuts are loosened, so we're going to get the wheel off and put it under the car for safety. Alright guys, before we get into this bushing here, I'm going to get this plastic tray off. I'm just going to have a look at the steering rack. Getting a little bit of noise from it. The underbody tray off goes underneath power steering. That is passenger side. That's the driver's side. We got leakage. Alright. I'm using two hands, so this is a bit hard. But whatever that is, looks like it's leaking from there. It doesn't look like it's leaking from any of the lines. None of the lines at all, actually. Whatever this one is. Look at that. That's a spider right there. Hopefully it's dead. Yep, it was dead. That bolt, that 24mm bolt that I just showed you, that was on the steering rack. I'm going to do a little bit of research, but it was loose. It was like half a turn to 3/4 of a turn. Yeah, I'll do some research and see what it actually is, and hopefully I just fix the leaking. It's just loose. They're the best kind of fixes, aren't they? Alright guys, it's not a drain plug, it's an adjuster for the rack and pinion. I didn't do it super tight, just tightened it up to like finger tight, a little bit harder than finger tight. Steering wheel feels okay, but I'm just going to clean up the rack and see how we go, see if it still leaks. It may have just been a little bit too loose. Alright, I'm probably not even going to look into the bushings today. I'm just going to do one thing at a time. So see how the steering is. I've cleaned up that tray. That was the dirty side. That was the dirty clean side. And I'm just going to look at the sway bar mounts. It's under hard braking. Get a little bit of a knock. So it may be the mounts to the chassis. Alright guys, all the sway bar seems good, nice and tight. But yeah, if it's still making that noise, I'll end up taking this arm off and probably looking at that bush there. Also has a ball joint here. That seems alright. Yeah. So if it's still making the noise, that will get replaced. It does need to be pressed out, so might take a little while. This will also have to come off. Obviously, same on the other side. But we're just going to keep an eye on that steering rack. Could be just the steering rack making the noise. So get this all back together and check the fluid, see if the fluid's good, and we'll go for a drive. Cool. Alrighty, underbody's all back on. chuck the wheels back on and lower it down. Okay, I've tightened both sides up with the breaker bar. Let's go for a drive. Alrighty guys, I'm in the car in the garage. It's about 20 past 11, so I'll go for a drive more over Chermside Wonga Park way to test out the car, because at midday I've got training in Chermside, so stick around that area. Alright, let's go. Hopefully it's better. It sounds a bit better, just turning it on the spot. It was clunky. So even Marley picked it up. What's that noise? A bit hot now. It's pretty cold this morning. Just a bit warm from working on the car, but it's great. Wow, the steering's a lot tighter. That's not good. Doesn't return. Alright, so I'm going to have to back that bolt off a little bit. Yeah, doesn't level itself out. So there we go. Feels weird. Trailer's got some petrol in it. Smell it. A little bit silly, buddy. Brake test. Good. Hi guys, just got home. Just going to quickly jack up the front of Skyline and loosen off that adjustable, that 24mm nut. So a bit loose, more loose through the steering. It's actually not coming back when I turn, so it's feeling pretty damn heavy. I just backed off that bolt, I guess it's called. Just a smidge, just a little bit, and it was weeping just a little bit. So it may even be the seal in that section. Wait till next time we work on the skull line to see if it's still weeping or not. And yeah, if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. Also, we still have that $100 gift card giveaway going, so click on the link below to enter. It's absolutely free. Be great if you could subscribe as well. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.